Hello and welcome back to our channel Food Discoveries. Bramborak, also known as a potato pancake, very traditional in Central Europe. I use these potato pancakes as a side dish for the goulash. You can check the video on our channel. What we will need is some big potatoes peeled and half grated on a fine grain and half grated on a thick grain. Basically grate them with two different styles, so there's a little bit of bonding and a little bit of texture to it. Then we grate some garlic. We can also crush the garlic, but I already had this dirty. Then we add in 2 big eggs. Some milk, just a little bit, tiny little drop, some freshly ground black pepper. We don't add any salt in the beginning because that would draw all the water from the potatoes and make it very liquidy, which we don't want, so we make the dough first. Just before we start frying the pancakes, we add some salt. We add some white flour, and we use our hands to make the dough. We work the dough, we add some more flour. If we add all the flour in the beginning, we never get the measurement right. We don't want very tough dough. We basically want something that would, when we spoon it on a pan, it will hold its form. When it looks something like this, we go to our cooker, where we put big pan, heavy skillet, on a high heat. We add in some cooking oil, and we can test the temperature of the oil with dumping a little bit of the dough. When you see it's bubbling nicely, it's the time to start making the pancakes. I use just a regular spoon, form the shape, let it turn nice and gold color. We turn them around when they're golden. We fish them out, place them on a plate with some paper towels to get rid of the oil. We salt them a little bit. And this is the example how I served mine with a great Czech goulash, which recipe you can also check on our channel. Many people like it just as is. Some people put a little bit more garlic on top of it. So I hope you tried, and if you like, please don't hesitate to comment and subscribe to our channel. And bon appetit, and I'll see you next time with another great recipe.